He said that in whose consciousness, even if a small drop of his remembrance gets lodged in whosoever's consciousness, even if a drop of his remembrance gets lodged permanently in one's consciousness, then his body and mind, they blossom. They become alive and blossom. And I cannot describe the greatness of that person, and I cannot put any value on that person. If that person becomes so precious, becomes so great, that his greatness cannot be talked about. That if you are thirsty just for a drop of his remembrance, that's enough. But that remembrance must get lost in your consciousness. Your consciousness must never become empty of my remembrance. If you do that, the rest is up to me. I'm going to fill your total consciousness with myself, with my love, with my divine knowledge, with my divine light. When Amrit is given to us, 15 times altogether, we are made to say that we say to the divine that I am yours, I am yours. 15 times. Every time we drink or it's sprinkled in our eyes or it's put at the 10th door, we are made to say that I am yours. Just say that I am yours. Say that you are mine. I'll make you mine. All you have to do is just say this. Can you say this with all your heart that you're mine? He says that, I bless those souls with the divine nectar, only those souls whom I feel that I can live with. Whom I feel that I can live with. If I feel that I can't live with this person, that person never lives. What is the nectar of word, the divine word, Vaheguru, is full with nectar. Is full with nectar. and He has made us drink that nectar. He has sprinkled our eyes with that nectar. We drink that nectar because our consciousness in the entire body becomes pure. This remembrance gets lodged in our consciousness. And then the nectar in our eyes, so that our eyes become capable of, they become holy, and they become capable of recognizing me. And then the Amrit is put on the top of the head, so that the 10th floor gets it. He calls us Gurmukh or Gursikh, meaning that this is the path, this is the way of path to meet me, this is the way to keep your face always towards me. If you want to know that, here it is, simple. Take the word and keep the word in your consciousness, and you will remain faceward towards me, and you will be coming towards me. This is so simple. No rituals, nothing is required, nothing else. That's all. So simple? Never heard of anything. Remain bowed to these souls. I don't remain bowed, it just happens with me. That these are the souls whom he talks about, that they are so precious. The Amrit is alive. It's alive. It's not only that it's alive, it's the source of life. Sister, friend, your consciousness is so imbued with this deep red color, this deep red color of love. And this attire, your imbued consciousness, which is shown through your eyes and through you, looks so beautiful. This new consciousness looks so beautiful. He must have been pleased with you. He must have attracted you. Because of whom you have been imbued in this color of divine, color of the divine. Because of whom? Who has dyed you in the color of the divine? Kavan rang tumpai gulali rang pyar. Whose love has done this to you, that you have become so colored with it? Whose love has done this? And sister asks another friend who is imbued with this love, who has been blessed with this love, divine love, nectar. And she says, Pritam pani tarang gulal. He became pleased with me. I don't know how, but somehow he got pleased with me and he imbued me. So he threw a glance of grace at me. That's all he did. And look what has happened to me. Look what has happened to me. He is like that. It doesn't take him ages to correlate his love. Our consciousness, the divine, pure consciousness, runs in the state of the present. And mind took, just like a river was running in the center of us, and the mind took some water out of that river, and due to that holy water, we see, we listen, we talk, we smell, we taste, we touch. Even though we can't see him yet, but the very reason because of whom we can see and listen is him, it's him. And the light in the moon is actually the light of the sun. So he says that the light in our eyes, this hearing power in our ears and all the senses, it's like a moon. This light of the moon is actually known as the light of the sun. The light of the moon is actually light of the sun. So the sun has gone somewhere else, can't see him, but the light in the moon is actually sun's fragrance, is actually fragrance of the sun. Even though I can't see my beloved, but the consciousness, the life in my eyes, the life in my ears, the life in my tongue, the life in my hand, is because of that sun, my beloved. Even though I cannot see my beloved, but his fragrance is there. Now, just make the drop of my remembrance dwell in your conscience. And that can only be done by staying with the words why. And then after some time it becomes our nature, just like the nature of the entire creation, that our inside automatically start doing why. We would feel that, we would hear that. So please remain very alert, very cautious, because the world around us is to make us derail from this path. This glittering world, this illusionary world, just illusion, but the illusion is so powerful. Someone may tell us many times, but we still get. We still go get wrong like that. So please be alert, be cautious, remain with the Word, remain with Him all the time. And keep your face towards our beloved. We are going to become like Him. If you keep your face towards in the divine, you will become like him. And what else we need? What else we want in this universe if we can become like him? To resemble even one misstep can cost a lot. So please be cautious. To resemble के नहीं सकिए जिंदगी कच्चे वर्गी तुरी संभल के नहीं सकिए जिंदगी कच्चे वर्गी रखी मुख Life is very fragile. My dear friend, life is very fragile. One misstep and there it goes. Please remain conscious that we are here for such a precious work. We are carrying such a precious wealth with us. That wealth must be spent very carefully and frugally. That wealth is the wealth of breath, wealth of the days we have been granted to be here. Every moment is the priceless gift. Every moment puts before us an opportunity, chance. This karma. I would say that animals are better than those who don't have the divine in their consciousness. Because animals can move freely. There are no courts for them, no traffic police or Teno milane